The story of Anne Frank is well known to us all. A young woman who has been described as the teenager of the 20th century, who wrote a diary which is in the 10 most read books in the world. She died in Bergen-Belsen after typhoid, and she was thrown in a mass grave.
The fact that she could say that in the end she believes all people are good at heart. It is our job to make sure we stand up for those values and never let a day go by where we do not remember the importance of opposing discrimination and standing for inclusion and hope and courage.
And may I suggest, when you really want to experience what discrimination is, that two of you face each other and somebody sits on the other chair and is not part of it.